Are you thinking about a career in DevOps? You might be the next DevOps engineer. If you are unsure whether it's the right path for you, come join me as we explore if DevOps is the ideal career choice for you. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am here to discuss the challenges and important aspects of DevOps career. My aim is to provide you with a clear understanding so that you can make a choice for yourself. Here's a quick tip. As we explore this aspect today, take a moment to reflect and see if each point resonates with you and align with your career aspiration and interests. In today's video, I won't be discussing DevOps tools, practices, or concept. Instead, we will focus on what can expect as a DevOps engineer. Based on my 14 years of experience as DevOps engineer, I will be covering high-level summarized insights. Please check out my previous video, What is DevOps, if you are new to DevOps. When considering career in DevOps, there are several challenges and areas to consider. As a DevOps engineer, you will encounter various projects that requires different skills, both technical and interpersonal. You will dive in various programming languages, engage in some system administration work and networking tasks, utilize range of tools and grasp fundamental concepts and processes. The key is once you understand the logic, applying it in various programming languages becomes easier. Tools and technologies, you will pick them up along the way. The important thing is to get into the habit of reading, understanding new concepts, and putting them into practice. Staying updated with the rapidly evolving technology is a must. Continuous learning is a challenge and an opportunity in DevOps. If you are someone who enjoys learning new things, DevOps is a good fit for you. DevOps engineer is a critical resource for organization. The development, operations, and release management teams often rely on DevOps expertise for various needs. They may need your support and assistance from time to time on both planned and unplanned tasks. In the technology world, unplanned requests are also referred as ad hoc requests. You may receive ad hoc or unplanned requests during your regular work hours and sometimes even after work hours. And at times you might also be on call. When you're on call, you are responsible for addressing urgent requests or incidents that occur outside of regular working hours to ensure the smooth operation of services and systems. Also, dealing with these unplanned requests, even during working hours, can involve a lot of context switching between planned tasks and unplanned tasks. So you will need to come up with a strategy that works best for you to handle these ad hoc requests while working on ongoing developmental work. I will talk about some strategies I personally used in my career that helped me to overcome these challenges in my upcoming videos. Balancing the demands of different teams, handling ad hoc requests, and managing your time and resources effectively are important skills for DevOps engineer. Due to the nature of support work, potential on-call responsibilities, and occasional firefighting, maintaining a healthy work-life balance can be challenging. Hence, finding balance that works for you is essential. In some organizations, DevOps teams may consist of only one or two individuals. These dedicated professionals often find themselves managing substantial workloads, balancing both ad hoc requests and improvement projects. While there is a desire for additional team members to share this workload, organizations' budget constraints can pose challenges to get such approval. It's important to focus that these situations, while demanding, offer opportunities to develop invaluable skills in handling diverse tasks efficiently and creatively. Furthermore, even though DevOps engineers have a strong desire to work towards continuous improvement and automation, the frequent influx of firefighting requests can keep them busy and at times feel a bit overwhelming. It's essential to recognize that within these challenges, DevOps continues to play an important role in maintaining and enhancing the organization's operations. In certain organizations with legacy applications and non-technical leadership, advocating DevOps to management involves making a compelling case and gaining their buy-in to prioritize implementing or maturing DevOps. It includes presenting benefits of DevOps in a way that resonate with the organization's leadership. This may involve demonstrating how DevOps can lead to improved efficiency, faster delivery of software, reduce operational cost, and enhance customer satisfaction. It also involves addressing any concerns or questions that management may have and provide a clear roadmap for implementing DevOps practices within the organization. Gaining their buy-in means getting their approval, budget, and support for implementing and maturing DevOps. In certain cases, you may encounter teams or individuals within the organizations who initially shows resistance to adopting DevOps practices. You will have to deal with pushbacks and figure out how to encourage and make it easier for others to use it. Effective communication and collaboration with various teams and individuals are critical. Developing strong interpersonal skills is as important as technical skills. As a DevOps engineer, you will collaborate with multiple teams in your organization, and each team has its unique culture and requirements. Sometimes team might be hesitant to change or reluctant to trust you initially. Building healthy relationship and trust with each new team takes time. Your job also involves educating people and listening sympathetically to their concerns and needs and come up with solutions. DevOps principles emphasize not dictating choices. As DevOps engineer, your role is to offer a range of potential solutions along with a thorough explanation of their respective advantages and disadvantages. Ultimately, decision making should involve the entire team, allowing them to choose the approach that best aligns with their goals and requirements. This collaborative decision making process promotes transparency, shared responsibility, and strong sense of ownership among the team members. It's important to remember that in DevOps, one size does not fit everybody, and solutions should be tailored to specific needs and context. It takes empathy, patience, and practice to get there. If you enjoy the challenges of earning trust and consider yourself as an empathetic person, then DevOps might be the perfect fit for you. As DevOps engineer, you need to actively exchange information, best practices, and insights to foster collaboration and continuous learning. It involves a variety of methods, including live demos to teams, presentations, thorough documentation, one-on-one calls, or even collaboration through Office Communicator. DevOps engineers plays an important role in this process as they need to educate and guide teams on best practices, processes, and tools, ensuring that knowledge is effectively transferred and applied through the organization. If you are someone who enjoys connecting with people and sharing knowledge, you will find your role as DevOps engineer even more fulfilling. So in summary, DevOps is a field of continuous learning where you become a critical resource, mastering essential skills such as work-life balance and seamlessly switching between ad hoc tasks and development projects, especially in small teams where resource constraints are common. With strong interpersonal skills, you advocate DevOps to management and deal with pushbacks for a change from diverse teams, relying on empathy and patience as go-to tools in your personal DevOps toolbox. You share knowledge and experience with different teams by educating and guiding them on best practices, tools, and processes. If these aspects resonate with you, then DevOps might just be your perfect career path. Remember, your journey in DevOps is a path of constant growth, learning, and ongoing improvements. Hopefully, this provides you with a comprehensive perspective on the challenges and key aspects to help you make a informed decision when considering career in DevOps. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep innovating. See you in next video.